CPI numbers came out, and you are seeing the uncertainty here in the bubbles as the what is it? The FOMC numbers come out tomorrow. So there's going to be a lot of uncertainty in the market, and so just get prepared and get ready for could roll over tomorrow depending on what those numbers say in the FMOC. So let's go ahead and dive right on into these charts. And don't forget, we are giving away $50 worth of Bitcoin every week randomly to one commenter on a video, a random video. So you want to win $50? Have a chance to win $50. All you have to do is comment on the video, tell us whether you like the video and what your thoughts on the video, and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and then you can enter the drawing to the random giveaway of $50. We'll send you $50 worth of Bitcoin straight to your wallet. We'll get your wallet address and we'll send it straight to you, and we'll do the drawing every Monday. All right, so that's what we're doing right now. So it's easy to win $50, and it doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, leave a comment, and hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down button, and let us know what you thought about the video. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the market. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts and see exactly what the charts is showing us, because we trade the charts here. All right, so this is the Bitcoin daily chart, right? As you can see, we had that golden cross way back here, and you saw Bitcoin run up all the way up, okay? And this is the daily now, keep in mind. So you had the downward trend line right here, this downward channel that Bitcoin was falling inside of the larger downward channel, as you can see right here. Let me go ahead and take that off. There we go. Nope, we don't want that. I wish I could move that out, but I can't. Okay, so we have the larger channel that's right here. As you can see, the larger channel, then you had a smaller channel right there where it was falling, because in the larger channel we had the def cross, the 21 cross the 50, and as you can see, price actually came down and bloop. And as you can see right here, it moved sideways. The price action was a little choppy, and it came up right here, touched that 50, came back down, and the 21 pulled it down even more, and it created a more downward trend inside a downward trend channel inside of a bigger trend channel. So keep in mind, even though it breaks this, if it does break this trend line right here and this resistance of 26,000, it's still inside of a larger downward trend line. So it needs to break the 28,000 before you should get happy or anything, before you get excited or start talking about any type of bull run or reversal or anything of the sort. RSI is around 40. It's not at the point where it normally reverses, and the MACD is looking, it's about even. It's not a lot selling, not a lot of buying, and not a lot of money coming in, not a lot of money coming out. It's about even. Okay, so now currently price is sitting at 25,926, and that is the price for it, 26,000. So Bitcoin, when it run up right here, you had the run up, right, and then it fell down. The 26,000 floor did not hold. The bulls didn't show up. Bulls didn't show up, so Bitcoin rolled over and it rolled down, and it rolled all the way below 26,000, and now 26,000 acting as a price ceiling. Okay, the 21 is moving, and it's actually moving back downward, it looks like. So in order for us to see exactly what's going on, let's go to the smaller time frame. This is the 4-hour chart. So right here on the 4-hour chart, let me go ahead and spread this out a little bit. On that 4-hour chart, you got Bitcoin. As you can see, this the smaller downward trend line inside of the larger trend line right here and right here. The smaller ones right here and right here. And as you can see, you had that 21 on the 4-hour, 21 across that 50, and you had it, and it pulled the price action down, and it's continuing to go down. And now 21 looks like it's starting to go sideways. Price action is starting to chop, right? You had a double bottom right here. You had this right here, double bottom, boom, boom, and you had price action starting to go up. Now, if it falls back down here towards this 25, like I said when I had posted the daily chart, then you were starting to see something maybe possibly kind of sort of a head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulders pattern. If you get those reverse head and shoulders patterns, then expect movement to move upward. Okay, now you see right here, you got a let's see here. You had a low, then you got a lower low. Then it ran up, and you had a lower low, and you had a lower high, lower low. Then it ran up again. Now you have a lower high, and you're going to produce another lower low because the 25,000 is acting as a price ceiling. Let's get the 1 hour chart. We have Bitcoin right here. See on the 1 hour chart, 21 did the same thing. Death cross on the 50, comes down, pulls it, and it's moving sideways. And it just did a little golden cross with the 50 right here. So you may have price action come up close to touch this 200 to probably about 26,144 before rolling back over and falling back down. Why do I say that? Because we have a high right here and we have a lower high. In order for that, for me to not have said that and to be thinking the opposite of what I've just said, then it would need to have placed a higher high up in here towards the 26.57 mark. But it didn't, so therefore I am bearish on it, and I expect it to fall down towards the 25,000 mark and possibly break that 25,000 mark down towards the next resistance, okay, which would be 23. So that is what I'm thinking. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Keep that in mind. All right, do your own research as always. Now let's go take a look at XRP. Let's see here. Where is it at? Where is it at? There it goes. XRP. And as you can see, XRP had a golden cross here back several days ago. A golden cross on the 26th of May. And it ran up, and you had a correction. The market corrected itself, came back, touched this floor of 49 cents, and bounced. So you have one bounce, and you would expect it to have another bounce right here before it shot up, but it didn't. It fell down and fell down below 49 cents, and 49 cents became the price floor. And before it broke up above that and broke above the 50 cents price floor, and it looked like it was about to, go parabolic a little bit, but we ended up stopping at 56 cents, and I need to do some more charting. Let me go ahead and make some more charts real quick, trend lines, so I can show you guys how it was trending that way, like that at first, and then it fell down, right? You see it fall down. You had that sell off, market pressure, boom. Now you have it going back up, and you have resistance, slight resistance here at right there, because you have one touch here at what is this right here? This is at 52 cents. You have one touch at 52 cents, two touches at 52 cents. All right, then 52% became a floor, and then it became a ceiling again. And so you have 1, 2, and I expect a third one before it comes back down and retests, hits the 50 cents and tries to retest that 52 cents to try to break that barrier. Okay, so this is the 1 hour chart. Let's go look at the 4 hour chart for XRP. And as you can see, that 4 hour chart, we had a high, and it fall down, and now we're getting a lower high, so it's going to roll over. That is my opinion. RSI is not looking too good. It's looking equal oversold territory, and MACD looks like it's a lot of money flowing in. Okay, so let's go take a look at Solana. I like Solana because I buy a lot of NFTs on Solana, and Solana NFTs are really pumping, and they are really actually doing their thing. SEC is flooding them, and I'm glad that they are, because I can buy more cheaper Solana, and I can get some of the blue chip Solana NFTs at the cheap price, pennies on the dollar, while the price is down. So as you can see, Solana is doing kind of the same thing that Bitcoin is doing. You have a downward trend line right here, and you have another downward trend line inside of the trend line. Downward trend, okay, and it's moving sideways. You have the 21 did that cross right there. It's moving sideways, but the only problem is you have a high right here, and you have a lower high and a lower low, etc. So it's not looking too good for that on that 4 hour chart. Let's look at the 1 hour chart for Solana, and as you can see, boom, you have that high. You had 1, 2, 3. You had a head and shoulders right there, and you had the right shoulder right there, and then you had price action fall, as I was telling you guys. So as you can see, 21 right now is running parallel with the 50, but everything is pulling down to it. The 200 is pulling down to 80, and the 100 is pulling down right alongside with it. So it's not looking too good. I expect that 14 to come back down and get tested again. The $14.32, it needs to act as a floor. I expect it to hit that again, and if it bounces, and then for all my traders here, then this could be a good trade between $14.37 and the $15.96 range, and just be trading Solana, and you might be winning. You might win on these trades, because it looks like it's forming a little flag on a larger scale. Okay, let me zoom out. This is the hour chart. Keep in mind. Let's go look at the daily chart real quick. See what Solana is doing on the daily chart. All right, and as you can see, a bunch of red. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of red, and it looks like it's starting to form a little green, starting on Wednesday overseas in Europe, I guess. And as you can see, you have the 21 right here crossing that 200. It's not looking good. You had it cross back here. It crossed upwards, and then it crossed the 50. Now it's crossing the 200. So I expect Sol to be pushed down towards that $14.30, and actually down towards more so towards that $13.10 range. And it's $13.10, $13.15 Solana, then I am buying. It is a buy, and I am going NFT shopping. Okay, NFT shopping. Now, another one I want to look at that I haven't charted in a while, who has some awesome NFTs on their blockchain platform, is Matic. So let's go look at Matic. Let me find Matic real quick. Where is Matic at? Matic. Where are you? Where art thou? There thou art. So this is Matic. This is the Matic daily chart. As you can see, downward trend. They had that 21 cross that 50, and boom, it's pulling price action down. All right, let's go look at that 4-hour chart of Matic. See what it looks like. Let's go chart some Matic. So it looks like right off the back, I see a downward trend line. Boom. Boom. So I see the trend line, downward trend line right there. Boom, boom, boom. Every time it touches 1, 2, 3, it falls. So what do you think is going to happen next? Follow the trends, trade the charts. Don't predict. You follow the trends and you trade the charts. Say it with me. Say it with me and say it with your chest. Follow the trends, trade the charts. All right? Don't predict. Don't get greedy. Don't do anything. Just trade the charts. Now, you had another trend that was starting to come up right here, forming that triangle. So it's either going to break to the upside or to the downside. All right? So if it breaks to the downside, then you're in trouble. You are in trouble, because the next, let's see here, floor, ceiling, major ceiling. So yeah, if that happens, you're going to see Matic fall down to 56 cents and then 47 cents, and towards 47 cents. At 47 cents Matic, I'm going blues chip NFT shopping on the Matic platform, getting Polygon monkeys, a bunch of them. I already got some rival bears. I'll get some more rival bears. I'll get me some normies. I'll get me some what is the other ones? Some alphas. I'll get me some Galactic Eagles. I'll give me all the blue chips of every blockchain. It's an investment. Okay. So if you like the video that we done, if you like the content that we provided, if you like the technical analysis and you agree, leave a comment below. Hit the like button or hit the dislike button. Tell us that it sucked. Tell us that we're wrong. Tell us that we don't know what we're talking about. Leave us a comment. Share the video with your friends. And don't forget, every week we're picking a random video and a random comment off the video, and we're giving away $50 worth of Bitcoin. But you must subscribe. You must leave a comment on the video pertaining to the video, and you must hit the like or dislike button. All right. This is Crypto Crane signing out. Till the next video. See you later, Hangout Gang. Peace.